boys and girls! Today at TinyTivities, we're making something super fun. Squishy, colorful Play-Doh. Are you ready to make it with me? You'll need a big bowl, some flour, a little bit of salt, a spoonful of oil, some water, and your favorite food coloring. Oh, and don't forget a big spoon to mix it all up. First, add 2 cups of flour, a tiny quarter teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oil into your bowl. Now, let's make some color magic. Add a few drops of your favorite food coloring to 200 milliliters of water. Here comes the fun part. Slowly, little by little, pour the colored water into your flour mix while stirring. Keep going until you get a sticky dough. But be careful, we don't want it too wet. Almost there! Now sprinkle some flour on the table and knead. Squish and roll until your dough is just right. Hooray! Now grab your Play-Doh tools, rolling pins, and let's create a masterpiece. And remember, the most important thing when creating is to have fun. See you next time for more TinyTivities magic.